5235. This is a Havana Cabana Suite. So as you come in, you're walking right into the bedroom. You can see it is either a king and or two twins if you want them separated. Love the headboard. Your closets are over here. There's 3 of them. You have your shelves, drawers, and a safe there. And all your hanging is on these 2 here. Across from the bed, you have a nice TV. What's nice about the suite is you have sort of this separated area. You can call it a sofa sectional, but it's like a sofa with a chaise lounge. A little coffee table. Across from that, there's a TV here as well. So a TV in this area, as well as a TV over here. Now, if you have somebody sleeping on this, because this does convert to be a bed, there's a curtain right here that closes all the way down to give some separation. Nice upgraded chair, mini fridge there, 3 drawers. Power-wise, you got 1 European, 2 US, and there's 2 USB right there. This does light up. Let's check out the balcony. So this is accessible from the outside deck area. It's not completely private, but only the people in the Havana Suites can be back here. It's not open to the general population of the ship, but just those in the Havana Suites. As you can see, you have a huge area out here with some nice loungers. You got this nice little swing here. Love that. Okay, but remember, not 100% private, just mostly private. Let's go ahead and check the bathroom, which was right here when you came in. It's really dark, so maybe we turn on some lights. His and her sinks, 6 shelves, makeup mirror. I think the other 3. You do have power up there. That is a great spot for the toilet at my height of 6'4". And so far, my favorite bathroom on this ship. Nice walk-in shower with a big rain shower head, as well as a handheld. I want this cabin. There you go. Let us know what you think of the Havana Cabana Suite. Ciao!